For every person that thinks you're too quiet, there's one who thinks you're an amazing listener. For every person that thinks you're too clingy, there's one who loves how much and how openly you care for others. For every person who thinks you're too weird, there's one who admires how you dare to stand out from the crowd. For every person who thinks you're too sensitive, there's one who respects you for being so in touch with your feelings. For every person who thinks you're too confident, there's one who thinks your self-respect is an inspiration. What's a negative trait in one person's eyes might be